What's up, guys? We're back here in action to open another 3 packages of these action-packed football cards from 1991. They're gold standard. As I mentioned previously, I was at a trade show recently in which there was a retro card collector. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and put that info up here for you guys. So their names are Jerry and Sandy Lawn. They do sports card memorabilia, and they're from Evelyn, Minnesota. So there's that, in case you guys are interested. All right, so let's get at it. Let's open these next 3 packs of these gold standards. Like I said last time, these cards are pretty cool. All right, so we have a Cornelius Bennett, Roger Craig, Ricky Irvins, Nick Bell, Chris Zorich, and Wesley Carroll. That's pretty cool. So like I said, he's got these gold inlay. They're pretty cool cards. For 1991, they were pretty well put together here. All right. Ooh, look at that one. Ricky Waters. Yeah. We got Tim Barnett, John Vaughn, John Cassay. Who doesn't like a kicker card? Mike Jones. Then we got Ernie Mills. I like that one too. Like I said, that gold inlay is just pretty cool stuff. This is back before the time of all the fancy cuts and all that. And we got Percy Snow. Oh, look at that. Brett Favre Falcons. That's a cool card right there. Eric Bieniemy. Hope I get that right. Browning Nagel. Got Greg Lewis. This one's cool too. Sean Moore. Alright guys, so that's the other 3 packs out of the 6 set. Stay tuned. I'm going to be going through some more of this retro stuff and then also probably putting in some new stuff for you too. Appreciate the views. Go ahead and hit that like button if you want to help me out. Stay tuned. Thanks.